Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use spot colors in Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open Gallery app. Now from here, open the picture in which you want to use spot color. And after opening the picture, click on this edit icon and then click on this more tool icon. Now from here, click on spot color and then the picture will go black and white. Now tap on a place or spot on a picture to bring the color back. So now you can see when I tap on a place or spot, it brings back the color of that spot. So if you want to make the picture black and white, then click on this icon and then click on a spot to erase its colors. And after that, click on done and then click on save to save changes. Now here again click on save as copy or save, and now you can see that's how you can use the spot color in Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.